Today I'm here with Terry Cranville, and we're going to talk a little bit about grab handles. So Terry, help our audience understand, what is a grab handle?
Grab handle is pretty simple, really. I mean, it's kind of what it says it is. Anything that you grab onto to open a door, close a door, get in a vehicle, get out of a vehicle, climb up on a vehicle. If you're opening a cabinet, you grab a door, you grab a handle to get into it. Any kind of an enclosure, any kind of a door, any kind of vehicle. If you grab it to get into it, we call it a grab handle.
And are we limited on shapes, sizes, materials?
That's the cool thing about grab handles. They come in a lot of different unique shapes and sizes, made of lots of different materials. They come in any different length that you want. They come in short, long. They come in round, tubular. They can be a flat grab handle. They could be all kinds of shapes and sizes.
Yeah, and I've seen them knurled. I've seen them smooth. Different surface types.
Different surface types. We've got, let's say, grab handles can be made out of aluminum. They can be made out of steel. They can be made out of plastic. They can be overmolded with rubber or plastic. They can be soft. They can be hard. You talked about knurled grab handles. We have extruded aluminum grab handles or extruded steel, whatever it might be. And you can shape the grab handle any way you want to from the materials that you're using on that.
What are our standard sizes typically that we sell?
12, 18, 24, 36 inch would be typical length of grab handles. When I would talk about a stamped steel type grab handle.
If I can't find the one I'm looking for out of those standards, what are my custom options available when I'm talking to Austin Hardware?
First of all, we've got a plethora of standard grab handles on our website, in our catalog, that are available. Different materials, different shapes, different sizes, flat, round. Customized grab handles, we can do just about anything you want with a custom grab handle. If we want to stamp that part out, if we want hole centers to be different, if we want the grab area to be a specific length or specific size, we've got the capabilities of doing that just about anywhere with any kind of grab handle that you're looking for. Grab handles are found in many different marketplaces, many different industries, if you will. The marine industry, food and beverage industry, emergency vehicle industry, RVs, trailers, trucks, cabinets, any kind of enclosure, electrical enclosure, or just any kind of a box that you're trying to get into, anything you're trying to lift and carry, that would be a grab handle as well. So you'll find grab handles anywhere you look, just about in your kitchen cabinet. You could call that a grab handle. You typically just going to call it a handle or a door handle, but if it doesn't have any functional mechanical motion to it, it's just pretty straightforward grab handle. There are some grab handles that you can fold and close over, but as far as latching and locking and securing something, grab handles typically aren't associated with that. They're used to assist and get inside any kind of, like I said, a cabinet, vehicle, climb in it, in your car, trucks. They've got a grab handle where you reach in and pull in to get in your vehicle, cars, trucks, whatever it might be. So we carry many different kinds of grab handles, as we talked about before. If we don't have it on the shelf, if we don't have it available, we can certainly customize a grab handle to meet your needs. Remember, if you're looking for a grab handle, very simple. If you grab it, we call it a grab handle. So come check out our grab handle line at austinhardware.com. Thanks.
Excellent. Thanks, Terry. Thanks for your time.